There's no shortage of AI tools claiming they can build your website in minutes. But how good are they really? And which one stands out? This video is a hands-on showdown of 3 AI website builders: Durable, Wix ADI, and Framer AI. Let's start with Durable.co. It builds a complete site in under 60 seconds. Headline, services, images, and even basic SEO. Its strengths are speed and simplicity. Some weaknesses are that it has limited customization and has a generic design feel. The second tool is Wix ADI. Wix's AI builder asks a few questions, then creates a polished, mobile-friendly layout. Strengths include a strong visual design and flexibility to tweak. The weakness is that it takes more time and still feels like template with AI assist. The third tool is Framer AI. It is focused on modern and minimal sites, with more design control than the others. Its strength is that it has cleaner UX, and it is better for designers or startups. Its weaknesses are that there is a learning curve, especially if you're new to website tools. So, which one wins? That depends on your goal. If you want speed, go with Durable. For full customization, choose Wix ADI. If you're chasing visual polish and control, Framer AI takes the lead. The real answer? Use the one that gets you online faster, without slowing down your business.